Hey everyone, talking about honey buttered crumpets by Hexennacht. The notes in this are lightly toasted English muffins, slathered with homestyle creamed honey butter, a light smattering of baking spices, and a pinch of sea salt. Yum. I think this smells delicious and like very addictive to smell. I seem to really love honey butter type of accords for some reason in gourmands, which is interesting because I don't like honey as a note in general. But something about the honey butter aspect just seems to mean I'm in and I like the scent. When I say that though, I really mean more like I like to smell this, but I wouldn't want to wear it. So one of the few gourmand bottles that I own that I got a bottle of just to smell like a little one is Golden Corn Cakes by House of Gloy. But if I didn't already have that one, I might even buy or at least keep like a decant of this around because I just love the smell. But again, I wouldn't want to wear this, but I wouldn't mind smelling it on someone else who's wearing it either. It's just not something I would want to project. Like I just ate a bunch of honey butter English muffins or whatever, but I do like the smell. And I think just indie fragrance houses like this type of small kind do a really good job with these kind of tasty gourmands that aren't just the stereotypical like vanilla chocolate cupcake kind of one that, a lot of places do. Overall, I would say pretty unisex, and I'll link in the description where you can check it out.